So a question that very frequently comes up from people is, do I need a snack? And a lot of times when people are diagnosed with diabetes in a hospital, they're told that they have to have a snack in the afternoon or in the evening, and it's sort of a standard half cup of milk and a couple of graham crackers, and a lot of times people leave a hospital and think that that's something that they have to continue to do forever and for always. And that is really not true at all. And it really is such a variable thing depending on the individual, and a large part depending on medications that you're on, what kind of medications, the timing of those medications, particularly insulin, and also what's called the sulfonylureas, either glyburide or glimepiride, some of those kinds of medications. Those are the medications that raise the amount of insulin in your body. And we're all talking about balancing the amount of insulin in the body with the amount of carbohydrate. So one of the thoughts behind why you always need to eat a snack in the old days was really to match up that amount of carbohydrate to the timing of when that insulin was peaking. Well, fortunately nowadays we have many different medications, different kinds of insulins, different longer acting sulfonylurea medications. So that's not nearly as crucial as it used to be. Now, the time that it is necessary to have a snack is either A, if you're doing an unusual higher level of exercise. So if you're burning a lot more sugar, that could cause your blood sugar levels to drop. So at that time, it may be important for an individual to have a carbohydrate snack to make sure that blood sugars don't drop too much. The other time you might need to have a snack is if you ate a much lighter carbohydrate meal at that meal beforehand. So say if you ate a light carbohydrate lunch, then may need to have a little bit of a carbohydrate snack in the afternoon. The other time is if it's going to be longer than 5 hours until your next meal. So some people find that they need to eat a snack, particularly a snack in the evening before going to bed, just to tell that liver to cool it and stop making that extra sugar. But everybody is very different with this. And a bottom line message with this is checking your blood sugars and doing some little studies on yourself. Do some checks of your blood sugars before you go to bed. Don't eat a snack for maybe 3-4 nights. Check your blood sugar first thing the next morning. And then for maybe another 3-4 nights, eat a light carbohydrate snack the night before and just see what kind of impact it might have on your blood sugars. And a number of people that I see say that it really helps lower their blood sugars in the morning if they do eat a light snack the night before. And it sounds pretty counterintuitive. It doesn't sound like that would make sense, but when you really think about that liver's involvement in things, it does make some sense.